Hey you! Yeah, you scrolling through YouTube looking for the next best thing for your content game. Stop what you're doing because the Robo 360 degrees rotation smart AI gimbal is about to become your new BFF. Before I spill all the juicy details, hit that link in the description below to score a killer 71% off. Seriously, the deal is wild and you don't want to miss it. Now let's talk about why this little robot deserves a spot on your desk. Ever try filming yourself dancing, cooking, or just living your best life, only for the camera to give up? Or worse, crop out your face right when you finally nail that TikTok routine? Trust me, I've been there, and it's tragic. That's where Robo comes in. It's literally your own personal robot cameraman. This thing rotates 360 degrees and uses AI to track your face, your pet, or even that slice of pizza you're showing off. Just plop your phone in, connect with the API Genie app, and boom, it's showtime. Want to film a dance session? Robo's got you. Cooking tutorial? Robo's got you. Need both you and your friend in frame for your podcast? Hello, two-person mode. No need to bribe your roommate anymore. And yes, it works with both iPhone and Android, because Robo doesn't play favorites. I know what you're thinking, but do I need to be a tech genius? Nope. Setup is as easy as pop in a couple of AA batteries, connect via Bluetooth, and you're rolling. The only drama? Maybe the app could be a little smoother and it's made of plastic, so don't let your dog chew on it. But for this price, you really can't complain. So if you're ready to level up your content without breaking the bank or begging your friends to hold your phone, hit that link in the description for 71% off the Robo 360 degrees gimbal. Don't let your next viral moment walk out of frame. Let Robo be your camera crew. Thanks for watching and happy filming.